Alright. I really ain't got that much time left to ride, but today I went to Walmart and I got a Ultra SD card for 4K. This camera does have 4K. I've been videoing on 1080. So I'm gonna look through the footage. Yeah, that's the word. Footage later, and I'm gonna see if this changes a thing or what. Hopefully the camera is like right adjusted right. I looked through half the footage on the other one, on the other SD card. Y'all can hear me a little bit, but I mean, not as good, you know. But hopefully if I yell loud enough, hopefully y'all can hear me over the bike. Alright. I don't know when I'm gonna record this footage or upload it. But I might record it or not record it, upload it Monday, Sunday. But the other footage I'm pretty sure I might upload it Sunday. Tomorrow. Dude, this hoe skirts, I swear. Before this video ends, I gotta show y'all something. There was a piece of glass up there, like the other day. I really don't want a flat tire. Guys, I'm thinking about not putting plastics for exhausters and two back side fenders and a back fender. I said that right, alright? Hopefully I did. But the reason why, I mean, the plastics I have right now, even these don't fit the body. We got it from eBay, so I mean, what do you expect? I mean, for real. Ah! Holy crap, dude, a bug just hit my eye. Ah! Alright, bro, hold up. I just seen something. Oh, never mind, it's just a straw. I honestly hate this corner right here on my road. It's like a blind corner. Holy crap, bro, that was a big log. Dude, I want them dogs to come out here so bad. There's dogs that live up there. I wish they just come out so they can chase me and stuff like that, bro. That'd be so fun. Ooh, yeah. Came outside the cave, water, yeah. paving these roads, finally. These roads have been bad. I mean, dude, they've been super bad. Even way up there there's a curve. Dude, I swear, it's so bad. It feels like you're just like, you're on a golf cart and you're just hitting rocks and stuff and falling. That's how bad it is. Oh, look, a firefly. Ooh, pretty. Holy crap. On your mark, get set. Hold up. On your mark, get set, go. First lap. I have no idea I'm in second lap. What the fuck? Bottom left. You are currently in second place. Not today, fool. Finished first. Oh, what's good, bro? Yeah, I'm honestly just bored. I'm talking to myself. I know. It's weird. Don't quit on me now. Oh, bruh. I just took a hard hit, I swear. Watch this. It's peaceful out here, except for whenever I get on my bike. No, it's not. Get out of here, frog. Alright, just making sure because it felt flat whenever I was coming down the road. You can have one new friend suggestion. Look at that stupid cat right there. You see it? Nah, bro, that cat's pretty cool. Like, unusual. She's funny. But, I mean, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I did almost forget. Forgot to show you what I have in the truck. Boom! I got a sub. 12. Single 12. From what I heard, that thing slaps, bro. Like, I'm out of breath. But that thing you should slap, bro. I'm not playing. Oh. Want to smoke? No, I'm just kidding. Alright, if y'all enjoyed this video, if you think it was hilarious, probably not, but maybe. If you enjoyed, comment what you think about this camera, the 4K, on it being 4K. Comment. Comment what you think about the 4K quality on this and the audio. Subscribe if you're new, or subscribe if you're just looking at my channel. It won't hurt to click one button and help me out a little bit, like the video, turn on post notifications to see whenever I'm uploading a video and stuff like that. This is JB Stunts and I'm out. Oh god, I just broke my camera.